Are you tired of constantly battling nasal allergies? Look no further than Nasacort, the ultimate solution to your congestion and irritation. In this video, we will delve into the incredible world of Nasacort, uncovering its marvels and exploring why it is the go-to nasal allergy treatment for millions of people. Understanding nasal allergies and their impact. Nasal allergies, also known as allergic rhinitis, can be a significant burden on those who suffer from them. The symptoms, such as sneezing, congestion, and itching, can greatly affect one's quality of life. Allergens, such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander, trigger an immune response in the nasal passages, leading to inflammation and the release of histamines. This cascade of reactions results in the uncomfortable symptoms experienced by allergy sufferers. For many people, nasal allergies are a year-round battle, while others may only experience symptoms during specific seasons. Regardless of the frequency, these allergies can be frustrating and disruptive. That's where Nasacort comes in. What is it and how does it work? Nasacort is a nasal spray that contains the active ingredient triamcinolone acetonide, a synthetic corticosteroid. Unlike antihistamines that only target the histamine response, Nasacort takes a different approach. It works by reducing inflammation in the nasal passages, providing relief from the underlying cause of the symptoms. When used as directed, Nasacort delivers a controlled dose of triamcinolone acetonide directly to the nasal lining. The medication helps to alleviate nasal congestion, sneezing, itching, and runny nose, allowing you to breathe freely and comfortably. Its innovative formula ensures that the effects last for up to 24 hours, providing all-day relief. The benefits of using Nasacort as a nasal allergy solution. Nasacort offers numerous benefits that make it a preferred choice for individuals seeking relief from nasal allergies. Firstly, its powerful formula targets the root cause of the symptoms, inflammation. By reducing inflammation in the nasal passages, Nasacort effectively alleviates congestion and irritation. This means that you can say goodbye to the constant sneezing, stuffy nose, and itchy eyes that often accompany nasal allergies. Another major benefit of Nasacort is its long-lasting effect. Unlike some other nasal allergy medications that require frequent dosing throughout the day, Nasacort provides relief for up to 24 hours with a single application. This means you can go about your day without constantly worrying about managing your allergy symptoms. In addition, Nasacort is non-drowsy, making it suitable for daytime use. Many individuals with nasal allergies struggle with finding a medication that doesn't cause drowsiness, as it can impact their productivity and overall well-being. Nasacort allows you to stay alert and focused while enjoying relief from your symptoms. Nasacort versus other nasal allergy medications. With a wide range of nasal allergy medications available on the market, it's important to understand how Nasacort compares to its competitors. While antihistamines are a popular choice for allergy relief, they primarily target the histamine response and may not effectively address inflammation. Nasacort, on the other hand, directly reduces inflammation, providing more comprehensive relief. Another common option is decongestant nasal sprays, which work by constricting blood vessels in the nasal passages to reduce swelling. However, these sprays should not be used for more than a few days, as they can lead to rebound congestion. Nasacort offers a safer alternative, as it does not have the same risk of rebound congestion and can be used for longer durations. When compared to other intranasal corticosteroids, Nasacort stands out due to its innovative formulation. Its unique delivery system ensures consistent and controlled dosing, maximizing the effectiveness of the medication. Additionally, Nasacort is available over the counter, making it easily accessible to those in need of relief. Tips for using Nasacort effectively. To get the most out of Nasacort, it's important to use it correctly. Start by shaking the bottle gently and removing the protective cap. Blow your nose gently to clear your nasal passages, then close one nostril with your finger and insert the spray nozzle into the other nostril. Tilt your head slightly forward and away from the spray, and press down firmly on the pump to release the spray while breathing in gently through your nose. Repeat the process for the other nostril. It's essential to follow the recommended dosage and frequency of use as instructed by the packaging or your healthcare provider. Using more than the recommended dose will not provide additional benefits and may increase the risk of side effects. If you have any questions or concerns about using Nasacort, it's always best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. Common misconceptions about Nasacort. Despite its effectiveness and popularity, there are some common misconceptions about Nasacort that may deter individuals from trying it. One misconception is that Nasacort is habit-forming. However, Nasacort is not addictive, and it does not cause physical dependence. Another misconception is that using Nasacort for an extended period can damage the nasal passages. This is not true when used as directed. Nasacort is designed to be used for longer durations to provide consistent relief from nasal allergy symptoms. However, if you have concerns about long-term use, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Nasacort's safety profile and potential side effects. Nasacort has been extensively studied and has a favorable safety profile when used as directed. The most common side effects reported include headache, nasal irritation, sneezing, and nosebleeds. These side effects are generally mild and temporary. If you experience any severe or persistent side effects, it's important to seek medical attention. It's worth noting that Nasacort should not be used by individuals with certain medical conditions or allergies to its ingredients. It's always advisable to read the packaging or consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. Customer reviews and success stories with Nasacort. Numerous individuals have experienced great success with Nasacort in managing their nasal allergy symptoms. Many users report significant relief from congestion, sneezing, and itching after using Nasacort. They praise its long-lasting effect and non-drowsy formula, which allows them to go about their daily activities without being hindered by allergy symptoms. One satisfied customer, Sarah, shared her experience with Nasacort. "I have struggled with nasal allergies for years, and Nasacort has been a game-changer for me. It provides fast and effective relief, allowing me to breathe freely throughout the day. I no longer need to rely on multiple medications to manage my allergies. Nasacort has truly transformed my life." Where to buy Nasacort and pricing options. Nasacort is widely available at most pharmacies and retail stores, both in store and online. It can be purchased without a prescription, making it easily accessible for those seeking relief from nasal allergies. Pricing may vary depending on the store and location, but Nasacort is generally affordable compared to prescription-only alternatives. It's always a good idea to compare prices and look for any ongoing promotions or discounts. Additionally, some online retailers offer the convenience of home delivery, saving you a trip to the store. Conclusion: embracing the power of Nasacort for nasal allergy relief. Nasal allergies can be a constant source of discomfort and frustration, but Nasacort offers a powerful solution to alleviate these symptoms. Its innovative approach, long-lasting relief, and non-drowsy formula make it a go-to choice for millions of individuals seeking freedom from nasal allergy symptoms. By understanding the impact of nasal allergies, exploring the benefits of Nasacort, and dispelling common misconceptions, you can make an informed decision about incorporating Nasacort into your allergy management routine. Don't let nasal allergies hold you back. Embrace the power of Nasacort and experience the wonders of allergy relief. Say goodbye to congestion and irritation, and hello to a life free from the burdens of nasal allergies. Thanks for watching.